Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be reviewing some Schpirerr Farben colored pencils. So the first thing I wanted to mention is how pretty the packaging is. The gold on the end of each pencil is very unique, and I think it makes every pencil look really pretty even when they're just sitting on your desk. Another thing I immediately noticed about these pencils is the amazing variety of colors. As soon as I saw these, I knew I wanted to draw something super colorful just so I can try to use every color. Once I started drawing with the pencils, I was very happy with how well they layered. I was able to lay down multiple layers of pencils as well as details on top, and this was definitely a huge bonus for me since I use a lot of layers in my artwork. I was also impressed with how well these colored pencils blended together, and I was able to create a lot of depth and dimension in my drawing. I was also impressed by how bright and vibrant the colors were. In this drawing, I'm using a lot of yellows, oranges, and reds, and these colored pencils did not let me down. The only color I was disappointed with was the white. It wasn't very vibrant at all, and it didn't really show up well for any details. So I suggest for anyone who is interested in buying this set to just purchase like a Prismacolor Premier White or a Caran d'Ache. Another great thing about these pencils is that they're pretty inexpensive. On Amazon, they're only $33 for a set of 72, so in my opinion, they'd be a perfect set for a beginner or even someone who's more advanced in art. When I was coloring the feathers on the bird, I was also impressed by the amount of detail I was able to get with these colored pencils. They sharpened nicely and they held their point when I was coloring the feathers. One thing I did not like about the colored pencils is how they did not have their colors' names on the back. Found myself a couple times accidentally using like dark blue instead of black or dark brown instead of black. So if they just would have said it on the back of the pencil, it would have avoided a bit of confusion. Overall, I was really impressed by these pencils and I definitely enjoyed using them. I'll for sure use them in future projects because of how vibrant they are and how well the detail is. And this is definitely a set I recommend for any beginners. But if you do decide to buy this set, I do recommend getting either like a white Prismacolor pencil or a white Caran d'Ache Luminance pencil, because the white pencil in this set's very hard to layer and it's probably not going to give you too much detail. Thank you everyone for watching. I had to take a bit of a break from YouTube because of exams and some commissions I had to finish. But I'll be back next week with a video about how to sketch a face, and hopefully the week after that with a quick portrait drawing. The original drawing as well as some prints will be available on my website. All my links are in my description, including my Instagram and my website. Thank you everyone for watching. See you next week.